How to cancel free subscription on Badoo. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this video we will see that how can you cancel your free subscription on the Badoo app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the video. So first open up your Badoo app. Then once you're in your Badoo app, you have to go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here. Then once you're on your profile, here in Badoo Premium, here it says active until this date, and this is the free premium subscription. And so if I go to my Play Store subscriptions, and here you can see it is empty, so that means I will not get charged anything on this date, and it will get automatically cancelled on this date. And this same should happen with you. You shouldn't get charged anything, and it should get automatically cancelled on this date if you have the free Badoo premium subscription. So guys, this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.